What's going on, guys? This is the Vintage Show 2026. Got some custom bikes here. This is my buddy YoFlo right here. Good guy right here. Got a couple shovels, pan heads, iron heads, choppers. Even got a couple of vintage dirt bikes here. Follow me, follow me, follow me. This is Doomsday right here.
What up, brother? Hey, thanks for my bike, dude. Looks nice.
Hey, yes, sir. We're live right now, guys. Here we got Matt, Frankie.
What's up, guys? This is Taz. We're out here with RGS.
5 minutes later.
Hey, guys, this is Taz out here at the Vintage Motorcycle Show with Atomic Powder Coating, Chris Brondo,
Here,
whole crew.
you know what?
Having a blast time.
Let's do some exclusive interviews here. So I'm here with the King of Phoenix, Taz Medina. What do you have to say about the Vintage Show?
Guys, this is a blast. I'm already turned up. You know, my birthday's next weekend, and Vintage Show really did it for me, man. I'm excited to be out here. Just a whole different vibe out here.
Thank you, Frank. Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Let's just check out the rest of the RGS crew. Over here, we got Chris Brondo, CEO of Atomic Powder Coating.
What's going on, guys? Chris here. Shout out Atomic Powder Coating. You're at the Vintage Show.
And then we got Tom Mazda here, Moneybags Mazda.
Hey, what's up, man? They call me Moneybags MB. What's up, brother?
And then the one and only Joe Castillo, the owner of RGS Performance. What do you have to say about the show today?
I'm so glad that Atomic Powder Coating is here with all of their powder coat and their powder coat accessories.
Hey, thank you guys for coming out.